Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with an order. When I was cleaning out in the last day or two, found this huge order. It was completely sealed up, so I don't think I've shared it with you guys yet. This is from April. Pardon me. So, because if I film, I always take the, what do you call it? The receipt out. I always take it out. So, all right, guys. So let's, oh my goodness. I may have to do it in two parts. This is huge. Okay. So we're going to just start off with a gorgeous lighthouse one. And I don't have a name on here, but isn't this beautiful? So this just gives you an idea of what DEK Designs does. It is so, and those girls are so pretty. So, and then here's the listers page. So you've got your listers in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, 3 boxes. And then you've got the listers flags. You've got the menu, the habit trackers, the half boxes, a weekend sticker. You've got all the half scallops and the eyelet scallops and the pennants, and then more decoratives. Those are so cute. The washi's so pretty. Days of the week, some functional icons. You've got the date dots. And so this is the old way that used to be done. Now she prints these separately, so it's super nice. Gives you more stickers. So the headers, the, pardon me, labeled headers, and just some functionals down here. Ooh, that is really pretty. That is called Spring Swans. I love that. I will save that and use that for my sisters. So that'll be pretty. I'm going to put that to the side. And then these are the color boxes, and this is the rainbow. So I love that. That is so much fun. So you order these by the sheet. There's a lot more play in this kit. If there's something that you use a lot of, you can buy 2. Or if you don't even use one of the things within the kits, you don't have to buy it. You just order by the sheet. It is a really great deal. So here's functionals, day off. You've got even church on this one. Half of the half eyelets is what I call them. So pretty. And then the days covers, additional date dots. And then, whoops, I got this upside down. Hold on, guys. Then you've got half boxes, and those are really pretty with the colors. You've got kind of a little bit bigger than quarter boxes. And then you've got the half scallops page, which I love. And then I also ordered, whoops, pardon me, the months of the year. I go through a lot of those. So there's that. And then we've got other goodies here. Oh my goodness, I've got all kinds of goodies. All right. So we've got Boo Bear Grilling. That's too cute. Reading the newspaper or reading. No class. Yay. You've got Boo Bear Plan to be Fun. So kind of the summer fun. You've got this gorgeous foil bows, which are so pretty. You've got Overworked Boo Bear. So cute. You've got water. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. So I've got several of these because I've been really trying to drink more water this summer. Some days I do great. Some days I do horrible. And then you've got coffee. It says lesson plans, coffee and chill. There you go. There's the teacher. All right. Then we've got popsicles. Oh, no, markers. That's too funny. I thought it was popsicles. And then you've got Boo Bear in the tub. Boo Bear shaving her legs. Oh, gosh. That's too cute. Reading the newspaper, Boo. And then Boo Bear working on art projects. You've got Boo Bear and her planner. And then you've got a variety or a sampler of Boo Bear summer swimming and all that. Is that? Yep, that's just one. I also have this for workout. Isn't that cute? And then this for work. I love these. These are so cute. The little laptop and planner and a flower and a vase. And then here is doctor's appointment. So, been doing a lot of those. All right, these are the wacky holidays for June and July. And I may just save them for next year. Too fun. I missed these this year, but that's okay. Super, super cute. They are super fun. So, for example, July 26th was Coffee Milkshake Day. That was my dad's birthday. He would loved milkshakes, but he'd never have a coffee one. Independence Day, let's see, Postal Worker Day was on July 1st. So super fun. I love that. I love those every month. And then here are just Elle Fashion Girls. Game night. Let's see, water plants. So important. Have two. Workout. And then you place to write what you're going to work out, how you're going to work out. Oh, I love those weekend stickers, don't you? Rose gold. So pretty. Okay. Looks like I have one last kit. So this one is Believe. Oh, I love this one. This one is the Christian one. I love this. The plans of the Lord stands firm forever. I love that. And then you've got Proverbs, Psalms, Romans, Corinthians on your books, Bible, pray. In your presence there is fullness of joy. That's neat. Okay, and I love her that she's there and she's studying. And then here is the washi and the day cover. And it looks like I just got the 2-page of that. So that will be for my memory keeping. And then on this, I've got Pretty Dolls Laundry. That's so cute. And then goals. Love those. So, okay, there's all that. I'm going to come back with a part 2 for this because this is not videoing. Oh, no, it did video. Yay. Okay. Okay. Whew. Yay, I couldn't see the counter. Okay, friends, and it looks like my camera has moved. I'm so sorry. I'm going back to the old stand. I'm moving you back so you can see better. So I'll come back with a part 2 for all of this. And it may be 3 parts because this is Hobonichi alone. I know. Okay, friends, come on back. We'll watch part 2 and then part 3. I pray your days blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe. Please be sure that if you like each video, to like each video. It really helps. Also, watching each video all the way to the end helps the channel tremendously. It just has to do with the algorithm and how often they'll be brought up for other people to see. And so it's one of those important things. Okay, friends. All right, guys, I'll be back with part 2. Love y'all. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.